What a wonderful day it is to be under the oaks right here at the Evergreen Historic Automobile Museum, Lebanon, Missouri, to show off two of my favorite cars in the Brass collection that we'll be offering at No Minimum, No Reserve, October 14th. Bidding online is open now for your proxy bidding. To my right is a 1903 Cadillac rear entry. It is an amazing little vehicle. It was their first year of full production, and this car was just taking over. People loved it. It's an amazing car. As you can see, it's well presented and had a little Hercules motor in it, run decent for its day, and it had a lot of attributes that a lot of the cars didn't have, like the Model T. So it really put it in a different class. And to my left here is a 1905 Model F touring vehicle. Much different than the 1903 that was ready for the London Brighton. This car is a 1905. It was built during the horsepower race. I consider the first horsepower race because they were going from 10 horsepower and trying to get a bigger model. You know, they were tired of the little 10 horsepower and trying to get 12, 15, 20 horsepower at the time out of these cars. And so this car is built for the family. This is the only year they built this car, in 1905. This is a one-year only model production, the Model F. I've got two amazing brass cars that I'm able to show you here today. First the 1903, then the 1905. First year full production, only year production, 1905. What an amazing example of what happened in a matter of a couple years in Cadillac.